What do y'all think? I don't know. I think that's not going to work. Oh my gosh, this has sparkle in it. Well, and the good thing is I can use it for the inner corner to make it brighter with this sparkle. So it's a sparkle product. If it was just a cream product, I don't know that it would have been much better as for the use that I wanted, because that does actually wake up the inner corner. So this is good for the inner corner. Just literally the corner. And then just straight up and down on the tear duct, and then on either side of it like that. I bet you also, if you wanted to, you could really line your liner. Like put this right over your liner, and it makes your liner even more pronounced. I don't know that I like that, but anyway, it's something you could do. And also you could run this right under your brow. If it was white, that might work, but right now what it did was put sparkle under there. It's kind of interesting anyway. It's kind of fun. It's more of like a technique than anything else, you know what I mean? It looks more like a trick was done. Because there's a lot of glitter actually, so I'm thinking what I would do is kind of really glitter this up right above the black liner. Well, now it's retracting. I hate when you get a product and it doesn't do its job. It won't come up. Just continue to try this. Up, up, up. There it goes. Okay. Here we go. Now let's do it. Right above the black liner. Right above it. And what that does is just kind of make the black liner even more fancy. Because now you can see just a glitter line. It's like glitter liner. Well, I'm acting that like that is so, you know, scientifically new. We've had glitter liner forever. Now I've got black on it though, so that's not good. So I'm going to wipe that off. You know, us girls are always trying something, aren't we? My husband went down to start the bacon. That makes me mad. I told him that I would do it. And he said, what did he say? I know you. You're going to be a while. So I need to go hurry, y'all. But if he's already started it, then what's the hurry? Y'all, I just cracked another nail trying to open this other one. It's so frustrating. Off came the polish. And do y'all know that I've even put a gel top coat on this and the polish still came off? Y'all, any suggestions, please comment below. Let me see if I can get this to come off. This is the white. So see, I probably should have done the white, y'all. Now, these are available. This is Boutique Defining Eye Pencil in white. 714309 white. Just white, y'all. Again, it's Boutique. And it didn't come with. I got one of those really cool sharpeners. This is made by Boutique as well, yes, from Germany. And it's got holes all over it. It's got a big hole here. It's got a teensy weensy hole there. It's got a medium hole there and a very, very tiny hole there. So this blade can be used from lots of different angles to do different size pencils. So I really do like that actually. I like that now. Okay. Also got myself another nail file, which I now need. It's a 4-way Tropical Shine. It's a 4-way buffer. The nail edge removes, and then number 2, that file the nail edge, remove the ridges, smooth the surface, and super shine. It's washable, and it's disinfectable. So you can disinfect it if you want. I am going to have to file that nail that I just broke. Right? This way and that way. It's very messed up and I gotta fix it. Okay. So we did that. Now it says do what? Remove ridges. Well, that would be like a ridge, so we'll do that. Okay. Then it says, number 3 is smooth the surface. It kind of feels smooth. Let's do it a little more, maybe. Then, last but not least, super shine it. And then what would I do? I would take this. But the problem is, I'm going to need to do that to my whole nails. So all my nails have little chips. There's a chip there, 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 there. There's a chip there. Every bit of my nails there, it needs to come off. It's just a pain. I just have to tell you, it's a pain. It's just a pain. Hate it. Hate it, love it. I am going to probably take this fish back. Do you think I should? I mean, it shouldn't have died that fast, you know? I don't think it should have. Does it have? I bet you it says something like, you have to bring this valid. How many fish? Download. $20 for a fish is a lot. The crown tail beta was $7.99. That white beta, $19.99. I'm taking it back. I know that sounds so mean, but y'all have to. I have to. Okay. Alright. I feel kind of guilty. I do. And should I really take that back? I don't think so. Y'all, now I've lost my Sally Beauty stuff. Where is it? There it is. Okay. I'm putting the little bitty stuff in here. I know y'all are like, Beth, we don't care. Go take your fish back or something. Oh, and then I got one of these from there. It's called a tag clip. And what it is you can put something on the tag, like a name badge, or you can use this for like your purse, like if you want to take your key on and off. And then you've got that little clip right there to take it off. Just sort of like when you do with a valet key, you can use this for that. Or a purse tag. Or keychain, or whatever. But I just like that. And they use it for the super teeny weeny so that you can use it on a little pet collar. Like put their little name and phone number on one of those little tags, and then you put it on this and you can clip it on and off. I would not clip it on and off. I would put it on their thing with the rabies tag, and it's never coming off. How about that? What am I supposed to do with that fish? Oh, he deserves a proper burial. I don't know what to do. If I take it back, they won't let me bury him, y'all. I'm also need to use this when I show y'all, and this. I don't know why this is in here. Y'all, I'm just rambling. It's really, you can use Beauty Blender Dry, and you'll get more full coverage. If you use it wet, you'll get more sheer coverage. So remember that. People always dampen them. You shouldn't always dampen them unless that's what you're trying to accomplish. What do you think about our brows? About my brows. Okay. Well. Oh, and by the way, today I used the Stila Smudge Proof Waterproof Eyeliner in Vivid Amethyst. What do you think of my brows? Are they too dark? It's purple. It's purple. I don't know. I think I like it. Okay. I guess that's it for right now, right? Okay. I have no idea where we are. I think it's time for me to go, y'all. I need to go make bacon. I know he's down there cooking it. He is. You know he is, because he's going to say, well, but you didn't come when you said you were going to come because you were filming. How do you like my earrings? I got these when I was in Point Clear. Are they pretty? These are Brightons. Look how they're little tassels. And they've got like a little gold band with little rhinestones through the middle, and then silver chains, so it's silver and gold. And they could be casual or dressy. I'm wearing them casual, so we're fixing to have a cookout. I should have never put that glitter here. That was a mistake. But hey, wait, we could try the white. I got a minute, just a quick minute, right? It's fixing to go, but oh my gosh, seriously? Oh, okay. Let's put the white in. Does it make the wrinkle disappear? I think you'd have to put it on beforehand, not after. I don't think this is the right timing. But just like concealer, you put it where the wrinkle actually is so that it lightens it up. Did it? I don't think it does. I'd say that to no. Maybe. You'd have to make sure that you blot it in really, really well. Let's use our beauty blender. Because the one thing you want to do is not have a white line. The other thing is people like to use white liner on their waterline to look younger. I just think it looks weird, but we'll try that sometime. Okay? If y'all want that, we will try it. And I won't use black liner. I'll use white liner. Anyway. I need to go. Y'all have left all this stuff on from when I did the haul. There's still half of it here and half of it in my bathroom. So I'm using Burberry. And it just went up by my mouth. Okay. That does smell really good. It's kind of like, it reminds me of Viva La Juicy. It's got a candy smell to it. And it's called Her. It's Burberry Her. I like it. It's okay. It's romantic. It'd be a good, for exactly what I'm wearing it for. Date night. So I better go. Because I know he's probably almost finished by now, right? He probably is.